In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Logseq for organization at work. We'll set up a simple, reliable system using Logseq's whiteboard and journals, and we'll connect related work with quick links so everything stays easy to find. Start by opening Logseq on your computer or in your browser. Once you're in, head to Whiteboard. The whiteboard is a flexible canvas where you can map out projects, brainstorm, and keep key information visible at a glance. If you don't already have a whiteboard, create a new one. This gives you a clean space dedicated to your current project or team workflow. Give your whiteboard a clear descriptive title. Keep it short but specific, like Marketing Q2 Plan or Support Operations Hub. A good title makes the board immediately recognizable and helps you and your team maintain focus. Next, choose the text tool, often shown as a T, to add a details title on the board. Think of this as a section header that anchors your content, such as key objectives, this week's priorities, or meeting notes. Placing a visible header helps segment your thinking and makes the board easier to scan when you return to it later. Use the text tool again to add the details under that header. Write out what matters most, a short description, the top tasks, owners, and any context that people need to act confidently. Keep your sentences clear and actionable. If you have multiple sections, repeat this pattern so each area on the board has a bold, readable label and supporting notes beneath it. Now, click on Journals. Journals in Logseq are perfect for daily notes, quick captures, and rolling task lists. Set this up to match your needs by naming the journal entry or adding a heading that reflects your workflow, like Daily Stand-Up, Client Follow-Ups, or End-of-Day Summary. This keeps your ongoing activity connected to the broader plan on your whiteboard. Finally, link related work using double brackets. Type 2, opening brackets, start the page name and select it. Logseq will link to an existing page or create a new one automatically. Use this to connect your whiteboard notes to journal entries, project pages, or reference materials. For example, from your whiteboard's key objectives, link to a detailed project page. From your journal, link back to the whiteboard so you can jump between the big picture and today's actions in seconds. That's it. With a titled whiteboard, clear text sections, a named journal setup, and double bracket links tying it all together, you'll have a lightweight, maintainable system for staying organized at work.